Hey there everyone, welcome back to another episode of Inking with Jay. This is your host Jay. I just want to say happy Friday to everyone out there. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope everybody's being safe, masking up, everything. Hope everything's good. So today's episode is going to be about how to make blue line art from images you find online or out of your own personal work. So today, just a disclaimer to everyone out there, I'm going to be taking a fellow artist's work that I find online. It's not my art, it's their art, but I'm going to turn it into blue line art so that you can use that to either ink into the computer, like I do sometimes with Clip Studio Paint, or you can print it out and you can use that to ink, like with your traditional inks, like dipping ink, your pens, felt tip pens, whatever you like to use, you'll be able to use to ink with this particular method that I go by. So today I'm going to show you how I find particular art like online and turn it into blue line art so that you can ink. So come on, let's take a look at it. All right. We're gonna look for, let's see, pencil art. Okay, we're gonna look at pencil art. Gonna go to that. See how quick we get to this. Let's see, images right here. It's loading up. There we go. All right, let's see. We're gonna go to. Let me see. Let me put in here comic pencil art. That's probably better. Look at this stuff. High res. This is some high res stuff right here. Let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. See what we can find. Comic sketch art. Let's see. Let's check this real quick. Let's check the settings, tools. Let's go to size, large, 2 megapixels. Let's take a look. Philip Tans, Hawkeye. Yeah, this looks good. This looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it. It's gonna probably load up. Ooh, it's gonna take me to Pinterest. Okay, wait a second. Let's see. Let's take a look at it. Oh, it's gonna take me here. Yeah, look at that. See? We're gonna do save image. Yeah, we'll just put it in here. Just put it inside this folder right here. Save that. Okay, so we save that. Alright, got the pencil art. Let's go into this, whoops, wrong folder. Goblin, Hawkeye. Look at that. It's pretty good. It's pretty good, dude. Zoom in on it a little bit, it looks pretty good. Okay, so now that we got that, go to Photoshop. Let's let that load up real quick. Alright, Photoshop is up. Let's get the image, open it. Let's see, desktop, Goblin, Philip 10, open. And here we go. This is the art. This is the artwork. It's not bad, it's pretty good resolution. It's pretty good, still pretty decent. We're gonna set up our page. We're gonna do, let's see, what about, we'll do 11 by 17 at 300 megapixels. I mean resolution, yeah. So, 11 by 17. We're still gonna have to come in with a grid on this. So we're gonna make a grid. Do Control R. set them up. Let's do, we got 11 by 17, so we'll do 10. Come in by half on that side. Come in by half on that side. And we'll do half right there. We'll do half right there. So there we go. And then we'll pull in our image. Pull it in. There we go. Just resize it. Size it up to the size of the actual image itself. Try to. Let's see how far we can take it. It's not bad. It's pretty good. And now on the edges you can just delete some of that. There. Delete that. Delete that. Okay. Let's see how this goes right there. It's about pretty decent. Still pretty high resolution, so when you print it out, it's still gonna look good. So that should be good enough. But let's see. Let's see here. 1 second. Let's make another layer. And then we'll do blue pencils. We'll leave the pencil. Still looks pretty good. So we're gonna do levels. Check out the level on that. See how that looks. This looks okay. Let's do what? 15, I guess. 15. Yeah, 15 looks good. Make another layer. Pull it down. Create a new layer. Now on this one, on this layer, we're going to make this one a blue line. So we're going to mess with the, let's say it's a color balance. We're going to take it to the blue, and we're going to take this to the cyan. Yeah, that looks good like that. So it's going to be color balanced. So if you go to image, adjustments, and then go to color balance. Then you just drag it onto cyan all the way, and then blue. Hit OK. Alright, and then now we're going to mess with the opacity. So we're going to do the opacity on the regular pencil art. I'm going to put it at 40. Like that. Okay. And then we're going to do the blue line art at 40 as well. Keep it like that. That looks pretty decent. So you have the blue line art. So if you turn this off, see, it gets a little lighter because that's just the blue lines at 40%. If you turn this off and put that on, it's the pencil art at 40%. But when you combine the two, it gives you some blue line art. And then this is what we're going to use to ink on. So once you get this, you can print it out. It's good to go. And there you go. Blue line art. Ready to print. Let's check the image size. 11 by 17, 300 pixels. The actual pixel rate, well, your pixel dimensions is 48.2 megabytes. That's how big the image is, and it's 3,300 pixels by 5,100 pixels. That should be good enough to ink. And we go from there. Alright, deuce. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video on how to take a piece of art and turn it into blue line art so that you can ink and draw on. I hope it gave you some pointers and some tips and tricks on how to go about, you know, making yourself your own blue line art and to draw and ink over. If you have any comments or questions about the video, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also for you guys to get out there and start drawing and start inking some stuff up. And don't forget to take care of yourself, mask up, and be safe, everyone. Okay, alright, bye.